people are a trench town.
I know
So
that's
me
how
want
Bob
them to
Marley
live
live.
here so too.
Yeah, man, Bob Marley live here so with a Marley.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, him with a Marley live here so
So they got any children?
Go again. Go again, go again, go again. Oh shit.
Wow, Sinatra.
Welcome once more to another episode for Neutral Vibes. We just left upper Cane River Falls and we are going to the neighboring Bob Marley Beach, you know, but here I'm very afraid to drive this car on the sun. You know, the last time I get stuck at Port Royal, you know, right now I'm afraid. Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, I forgot go home for the next car, I forgot draw me out of this.
And the next car can't.
Yo, look at this goatee. Jano. Ben, tell me she goat? Or a ram goat, tell me?
Rum goat.
Neutral Vibes. You see me? Yeah, man, no other vibes.
Strictly neutral. Yes, I. Very nice.
Baby, you know something that jump off of this cliff here? Turn the camera over this so make the people then see the cliff. That jump off of here.
Yeah, give me a drone view. Me show them a clip where you have planned to jump off. Okay, I must think I love asleep.
Love asleep.
Jesus.
You should not believe me, you know. You jump off of this sphere right
Lies.
now.
Strictly lies.
Yes,
Where you gonna jump off of this to me?
Yeah,
Where you gonna jump off of it to me? And me I go get.
Prove me
You
not
gonna
to.
get dead. And me I go get.
I get dead.
Yeah, that I get and me.
Then babes,
Wow.
if you jump off, you're not gonna get widow's pension, man.
Me not even. No. Food for thought, but no, thank you.
You know how widow's pension?
Children, Yoti.
Eh?
You're going so.
You know how widow's pension?
Why?
You remember me jump off and
No,
beg and get widow's pension?
no.
Why?
No.
You love me more than money? Eh?
Children, Yoti.
Turn the camera hard! Yo, she love money more than me. She can't even answer. I can't believe this. She love money more
That's
than
a
me.
lie. Me just never answer you. Me just never answer you. Every woman love money.
Everyone love money.
My God.
Oh man, I'm a guinea pig, you know? Yeah man, so we just left down our part there and I come our next part, you see me? Yeah man, right on the Rastaman territory, you see me? You can't go say and I wear jerry curls like my wife, you know? You see me?
I wrap it up, you know?
You have a natural, like neutral.
Natural ital vibes.
Hey, you notice what they call me? They call me natural vibes too, you know? I'm not artificial, you know? Natural vibes. Alright, so they're right on the Bob Marley beach. Yeah? So what the I name?
Yeah, Jerome.
Yeah? And where your socials?
Right here, so my granny place there.
Okay. Fish and everything?
Yeah, man.
Just cool now, man. I have to go and check on out look from this.
You don't know how we run the place.
Which house that?
Up there, so we are the tour guide. So you
Okay. Yeah, Jerome, big up yourself. What you have, mommy?
Why me there on the beach, you know, the coastline we do, you know, you don't know.
Banana chips, cheesies, everything.
Yeah, man.
Just cool now, man.
No, we set the trend, we clean up the beach, keep the place real. No
Yeah.
violence around here.
Yeah.
Peace and love with you, the Bob Marley Beach.
Just cool now, man. We just come up from Upper Cane River there, you know.
Yeah, man, up a Bob Marley Cane River.
Yeah.
So you must go a bit.
And somebody tell me to come down here, so you see me?
Yeah, man, I right place to come, man.
Yeah.
Keep it real.
Okay.
Right up the same place, I tell you, up the same place.
So you're a cook shop this year?
No, feel granny.
Oh, your granny cook shop the right there, so.
Yeah.
So what they have?
Roast fish, fried fish, lobster.
Yo, so can you show me what I go on now?
You know, they are too.
Oh, she not there. So what am I going to
But they can't go down my rasta there.
I know.
We have my auntie them now. They are too deal with the fish them.
Okay. Tomorrow at the right there. Okay. Yeah, man.
So we keep the beach real and everything and clean.
Yeah.
If you want to give a donation, we welcome.
Yeah, man, we are getting a donation,
We
man.
don't know, we have to keep the place set in clean.
They have a house Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer Bill.
Bill.
You want to go take a seat?
Round here. Now I'm here.
So we are go up that little track here, so. So Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer build a house up at...
Up there was the Rasta man them foundation, right up there. You see Gabby and the whole of them. Gabby and family, you know, you have to go like you don't know Gabby.
Yeah man, so we are go...
You don't know Gabby. Look here. You know, so you just born little boy. Oh, that's not somebody work off the milk off my
So...
You know everything, Wagwan.
So we are go all the way up in the party, one bush party, so where Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer build. Yeah man. Yeah man, so Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer build the house here, so we are go up the track. Yo, whole heap of Cinco Bible right here, so. Yo, what make so much Cinco Bible there, so?
Them plant them. Great grandfather plant them up. Gabby done.
Yeah. Pear bitters.
No road never did around here, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, you see the big stone there you see over on the left hand side?
Yeah, yeah.
Be a big stone they come out in the road and then put fire and bust up the road.
Okay.
And make road for car drive. See that foundation? See that base? Them
Yeah.
solid rock. Solid rock.
John, no, I'm wait for my Empress to lift her up here, so you see me?
Think about the plant all around, go around there. So if you want a hill climb into a hill hike,
Okay.
you can get a hill hike too.
Yes,
Put
sir.
on the hill shoes, put on the hill clothes, and we go take a hike in at the hill.
Just cool no man,
Yeah,
just cool no man,
and
just
you
cool
can
no
see the
man.
whole view now.
Yo, so the place is remodeled man.
Yeah, one Rasta man living there now.
Okay, okay.
Book a call and put on some zinc. Right, but the foundation house, the dead they said we are Bob Marley build it. The man Bunny Wailer.
I can turn on my drone up here, so too.
Yeah, anything you want do man, and send it up in the air man. Yes,
I see a place for Hope Road, them I see a Bob Marley yard there, so. Yeah man, for Hope Road where the museum there.
Over museum side.
Yes, so them I see a that's where me live. Some people I see a trench town.
I know
So
that's
me I
where
want
Bob
them to
Marley
live
live.
here, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, man with a Marley, they live here.
So they got any children here?
And that me assure you, say, him breed with a Marley down here.
How many
Yes,
of
yes.
which one of the children?
That is Ziggy Marley. The
Oh, so Ziggy Marley
and
born
him
right
come-
here,
Yeah,
so.
him come deal with the show thing down here. So Ziggy Marley know what I you know. And him
Oh.
come give the whole of money down here and keep the big show down here.
Oh,
you know.
nice.
And me night, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, say me a celebrity.
I mean celebrity.
That's cool, no man.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, okay, I tell you, so I run every foot on in some holy for tourist attraction. We are going to chop down the whole of them bush.
Yeah.
Years me I drive past.
That tree are really nice, you know?
Yeah, tree are nice, man. A nice tree it is. That's how the rest of them look alongside like.
Yeah, for
About
real.
them chalice. You see? Yeah, man.
Years me I pass here, so I never know the beach around here, so.
Him and Bob Marley have a cable go around there, so people and look at Marley. Reef round there. Sit down and cook him food, put him pot pan in there and, you know? Yeah.
For real, man.
Bob Marley grandma, Bob Marley play football down here, man. Live down here too, man.
Yeah?
Ask anybody, man. The Rasta anybody, man.
Yes. New information to me this, you see me? You Ben?
Yeah, man,
You know
definitely. No. I'm just staying know this.
You're so young and know so much.
Exactly.
There be old people me there around, man. Original people were born and grow here, born on the seaside. You see, original people. My just say my family, cousin, granny.
Yeah.
She dead, she 126, she dead.
Oh, yeah?
100, she have
Whoa.
bury her in her yard. The big house, so you see, up the road, in there, so she bury her. That's
Wow.
how-
126 years old.
Yeah, and she dead. She come from Cuba
Wow.
and come right down here, come live.
That's amazing.
Yes. Mama D will call her.
Wow.
Yeah, you can ask anybody up on the big house. Them are the original people. You see it? All of them born and grow and raised. Yes, sir. Me and my grandma round here to stay. No,
That was Sabbath?
Yeah, Saturday. She deal with that Sabbath thing and them thing there, but
Your grandma is a Rasta?
No, not a Rasta. no Rasta, but she believe in a them thing them more time, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Sunday she open, cook fish festival, fish, and them thing there, you know? Me occupy every time. Anytime I come around here, you see
The room is always here,
always
ready
on
to...
the beach, yeah, cause my hustling. You see it?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm stall them down there.
Yeah.
The people them gone now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you want to see the tourist attraction guide, link Jerome. Right on the 8th app.
Okay, great.
Link Jerome, Bob Marley Beach, I just reached.
Awesome.
Nice beach. This is the biggest beach and the widest beach, the cleanest beach. You can walk from right here, go straight down an 8 mile Wikiwaki.
As much as it's a black sand, it's still
nice.
pretty and nice.
Pretty and nice. White sand in the ocean, you know?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, white sand. I'm a diver. I dive and shoot fish. White sand in the ocean.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, far out in the ocean.
Wow.
Yeah, somebody never believe me. I'm going to go out there and get it.
And bring it back.
Yeah, and bring it and show them. So we don't know what is that. White sand in the ocean and black sand is on the line.
So you're a fisherman too?
Yeah, I'm a dive and shoot fish.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm a diver. Yeah, that will make me look a bird off at you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Just a big up neutral vibes. Big up Jerome, the artist, the fisherman.
Yeah, man.
You
Big
see me?
up one.
Big up
That
the
is
tour
it.
guide,
Yeah,
you see me?
man.
Yo, man, a 3-in-1, you see me? Big up my
Fisherman,
boss,
tour
you see
guide,
me?
spear fisherman, everything.
Yeah, man, I will really appreciate the tour.
That is it.
For come up at the Bob Marley house here where him and Bunny Wheel are Bill and sitting, you see me? Yeah, man, appreciate it, man. Yo, see that on YouTube too?
No, I'm not there for you.
And you're an artist?
No, this is me a Kabaka music video.
Okay, me have to go check
Come
out.
video me around here, so you have to go check it out.
Yeah.
My grandma, check it out.
And what that music video then name?
Just type in Kabaka music, just music video, you have to see it come up, man.
Yeah.
From Marley Beach.
Okay.
You see it, and you have to see it jump up and my mother deal with him with some fish and prepare fish feed and video it. You see it, I'm a daddy and him video me and him a raise. You see?
That's cool, no, man.
Yeah.
I want the big stone where you show with it.
The big rap now.
Hey, we could walk up here so with Jerome the bend.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Big rap now.
Well, I go on my boss. Big up yourself, man.
You know you have to big rap though.
Yeah, man.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we run the beach, Bob Marley Beach to make sure. Alright.
Yeah. So what your name?
A skipper Iris.
Cool, no, man. So you cook and think on the beach or you do fishing and something too?
Dive and show fish and some boat there.
Okay, I hear. Okay, cool, no, man. Cool, no, man.
Them little thing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much rent one of them here?
Alright, depends, cause if I spend the whole day, we don't have to be there.
An hour? Me have to rich rent one of them here then?
No, rich man.
Eh? 5 minutes an hour?
Come and come with money and give them. Enough people come here, sir.
Yeah.
And at first them come, they never know the procedure, they run them get through.
Okay.
That's how we run it.
Yeah, yeah.
When I deal with people,
Yeah, yeah.
white people know, yeah. Half for my best is spend, look, with a desert. Half for my best is spend.
Eh?
And give them $4,000. I'm a friend.
Okay.
So that man tell them, come and see the clean up the place. And clean up the road and the whole of them place and clean.
Yeah.
And make sure you see how the beach clean.
Cool, no, man.
Stay clean, so everybody come with them. Clean, clean.
Nice, man. Nice.
Clean and make sure everybody alright.
Nice, man. Me nah
4
lie.
people will save right that's the last week.
4?
Yeah, 4
Eh?
somebody. Nobody no drown us.
So deep waters.
Yeah, no, it's shallow. But I don't know, some people want to go out when they can't
Yeah,
go.
yeah, yeah. It's nice to end this, man. And we not hear much about this about the place, you see me?
Yeah, that's true.
I pay Duns River and them big beach people at talk about, you see me?
That place is big, but it's so clean. You're going to have man in the water and see a backland.
Yeah, yeah.
Walk on beach clean and nice.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No need to promote the thing more, though, you see me?
No, nobody come take it, so realize.
No, man, nobody can take it to you, man. Nobody can take it to you at all. Yeah, man, big up.
Yeah, man, nice beach, man. Wide beach, that you walk from right here. So that down there, what you're looking at down there is 8 mile.
Oh,
right
really?
down here is 8 mile, yeah. You drive past it. Wikiwaki.
Yeah, yes, on Wikiwaki when I was coming.
That down there, you can walk from right here, go down to Wikiwaki. On the beach side. people them come in. You see it, and make them know about the beach.
This is right.
You see it, Bob Marley Beach, you just you look on it, so it's pretty.
Very, very pretty.
Pretty. Everything on it pretty. Be the old vibes when you come here.
Definitely.
See, they can come by 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, nobody not trouble.
Oh, really? So late?
Yeah, man. I tell our people come down at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and all that. Be a girl and thing, them and make them own vibes and music and everything. Nobody don't trouble them. Yes, see.
Go again, go again, go again. Oh shit. What? Yes. Come talk.
I can't say anything.
Yes. I know. So welcome to the end of another great video. We just left Bob Marley Beach here, so me and my beautiful Empress on the beach side. You see me? And please remember everybody to like, share and subscribe. It really means a lot. It helps the channel to grow also. Yeah man, hope you enjoy this content. Jesus Christ, all of the drives just wet up. You see me? The water wet me up. Yeah man. But thanks for watching. Alright? Neutral vibes.
Neutral vibes, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscription, guys. Thank you guys for comments. Thank you guys for everything. Well, I'm a butt wet.
Huh?
Now I have to take off this. Come.